Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to tag someone to Instagram story after published. So, if you already published your Instagram story, just like this, and now you want to tag or mention someone on the story thereafter, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to tag or mention someone on Instagram story after published, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your phone. So this could be Android and could be on iPhone. Once open the Instagram app, locate and click on your story. Then you should see your Instagram story. Now to mention someone or tag someone to your published Instagram story, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on mention. Then once you hit the mention button, come to this spotlight search and search for the person you want to mention on Instagram. Just go ahead and search the name. Then from the search result, select the Instagram user. So you can select multiple Instagram users here. Now go ahead and click on the double button at top right. Then you should see the person mentioned. Now go ahead and click on add. Once you hit the add button, then the person will be mentioned on your Instagram story. So that mention user in your story. So I just mentioned someone on my Instagram story. So that's exactly how to mention someone on Instagram story. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.